Hi, my name is Cassandra Fawcett, and for my how-to speech, I am going to show you guys how to make a candy train ornament. For this, you need a roll of lifesavers, a package of gum, 2 Hershey mini candy bars, 1 Rolo, a Hershey Kiss, 4 peppermint or spearmint rounds, a piece of string or ribbon, and a low temp glue gun. The first thing you are going to do is take your ribbon, put both ends together so that you get the center of your ribbon. Then you take your roll of lifesavers, lay it in the middle, as I do, then take and make a knot in the ribbon so it'll stay. Like this. Then you take your ribbon, put them together at the tops, and make a knot so you have a loop. Now you can cut off the extra if you do not want a big end to the ribbon. You can trim it off. Now you take your lifesaver and your pack of gum and you take and lay a thin layer of glue across the package of gum. Then you take your roll of lifesavers and set it on top, as I do so. So it is stuck. Now you take your 4 spearmint or peppermint, either or works, rounds, and you glue one at a time. You add some glue to the back of the spearmint round, just a little, not a lot. You add that to the back of one side of your gum, and then you take another one, add a little bit of glue, add that to the front side of your gum to make one set of wheels. Now you turn it over and do the same thing on the other side. Just add a little bit of glue to each peppermint, add one to the front and one to the back, and then you got your wheels. Then you take your Hershey Kiss, add a little bit of glue to the bottom of the Hershey Kiss, and stick it at one end of your lifesaver to make your smokestack. Then we take the Rolo and you put the glue on the top half of the Rolo because you want that on the bottom because you would like the flat part on top. And you stick that at the opposite end of your train to make your engineer room. Then you take one of your Hershey Minis, add some glue to the top of the Rolo, and put your Hershey Minis on top of that to make the engineer room roof. Now, you take your last Hershey Mini, add some glue to the bottom, the one line, and one line at the top, and you put that on the back of your train to make the back of your train. Now you have a very decorative ornament to add to your tree. Thank you for watching.